If you want to add a photo to a contact on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Over here in the phone app, we want to make sure that contacts, of course, is selected. And then we're going to choose the contact for which we want to add a photo. And tap on this eye icon on the right side. In here, we're going to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Next, here we have the picture section, so we're going to tap on the current picture. You want to grant access to your photos and videos, of course, so that you can choose the photo frame gallery, but also you can choose one of these stickers, for example. We can go for a Galaxy avatar, or we can just simply apply a color. Here in the upper right corner, we can also activate the camera and you can take a picture right now. So let's say I'm gonna go for something from my gallery. I'm just gonna choose an example picture. There we go. You can apply this selected image to the profile card and picture. In my case, I'm just gonna set it up for the contact picture. There we go. We should be able to zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the picture as you wish. And then also we have some effects option, like we have the effect option, so we should be able to check that out as well in case you want to apply like one of these available effects that we will see in here. Like, for example, here we have the original, we have the grayscale, and we can apply a color. All right, and then we can tap on done in the upper right corner and we can save our changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.